Huge flocks of synchronized starlings create beautiful sights of moving dark clouds. The phenomenon was spotted in the skies of southern Israel on Saturday. Israeli ornithologists and amateur bird watchers flocked to an open field near the southern city of Netivot to get a glance of the rare phenomenon called murmuration. Professor Yossi Leshem from Tel Aviv University says the synchronized movement is to help the birds find food and to create a defense mechanism against birds of prey. These will usually try to hunt individual birds and rarely attack big flocks.
There are two reasons why few 100,000 of starlings are coming together in the late evening, because one is to get the information where they have food and they will follow the ones we found the food. The second one is if a hawk is coming to catch one of the starlings, if he's by himself, you have a problem. But if they are a big flock, they can open and close and move dramatically, and then the hawk cannot catch them. And this is a protection against the hawks.
After a long absence of some 20 years, short-distance migrant starlings have returned to Israel. This is a phenomenon experts find difficult to explain. Today, hundreds of thousands of starlings inhabit Israel, compared to millions in the past, according to scientific estimations. The common starling used to fly to Israel from Russia and Eastern Europe until the early 90s in mind-boggling flocks of millions. For an unknown reason, the number of the small birds migrating over Israel declined dramatically, and they could no longer be seen in Israel's skies. But in 2012, their numbers began increasing, and they were sighted for the first time above the Sea of Galilee. Experts say that they are best to watch at dusk, when the birds flock for some 20 minutes of unique aerobatic display before retiring for the night. Their synchronized flyover creates what seems to the eye to be a black cloud that moves and randomly changes direction and form.